This is Christos Stefanatos from Parity Platform, and I am showcasing the Visual Analytics service developed for iEnergy project. Visual Analytics service complements the Digital Twin service also developed by Parity within iEnergy project. It serves to visually present the location of assets managed by the Digital Twin service on a map, and then also graphically represent collected meter values from those assets that are connected to the Digital Twin service. Here we can see the map with the location of several assets, and if we want to check this asset here, we can go ahead in the details page, and it brings us to the location page of the Digital Twin service. Here in the location page we can see the IoT devices, the smart meters or charging stations that have been connected to the Digital Twin service within this location, within Iron headquarters. Iron is an energy utility and is part of the Greek pilot and has connected charging stations located within their headquarters to the service. Now, to move on to the graphical representation of meter values collected from this asset, we go ahead to Manage Meters and then Details of this meter, and here, as you can see, using the Visual Analytics engine, we can see graphical representation of different meter values connected from the Digital Twin service, such as temperature, total consumption in the asset. We can also see total consumption in the asset and voltage in this meter. Visual Analytics engine together with the Digital Twin service have been uploaded to AI on Demand platform as a Docker container and are accessible by all partners.